How to post left job on Facebook. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. First and foremost, open up your Facebook application. Tap on the three horizontal line, then select on your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. From here, scroll down to navigate the option of Work. Select on Work. Tap on the pencil icon to edit your work detail. Now in here, toggle off the Currently Work Here option. Now enter the from date and the end date of your job. Once you are done, you need to select on the option of Save. However, this change will not be published on your feed. But if you go ahead to your main profile and scroll down to see your all abouts, you will find the option as a past tense. Now for an example, let me go ahead and scroll it down, and as you can see under the details, there is worked. Now it is in the sense that you have left the job, and that is how you can update your left job on Facebook. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.